Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Open the Google Translate app and tap Settings to add the Translate keyboard. Follow the on-screen prompts to add it as an iPhone keyboard. Next, open Settings on your iPhone and choose General then Keyboards. Tap Add New Keyboard and select Google Translate or Translate from the list. After you add it, tap the keyboard name and enable Allow Full Access so the keyboard can translate inline text and use language packs. Open any app where you type and tap the globe icon to switch keyboards. If you hold the globe, you can pick Google Translate directly from the list. Select the source language on the left and the target language on the right from the top language bar. Type your sentence normally into the keyboard text field. When ready, tap the Translate button to convert your text, and then tap Insert to paste the translated result into the app. Tap the microphone icon on the Translate keyboard to speak and get voice translations instantly. Speak clearly for best results and watch the translated text appear ready to insert. Use the clipboard button to translate any copied text such as URLs, addresses, or long sentences. For offline use, open the main Google Translate app and download language packs for specific languages. That lets
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.